What if you could tailor your website or landing page to each visitor visiting the page? With Unstack, you can, and it only takes a couple of simple steps. We've created dynamic page content, which updates any text element on your site before the user even loads a page. Let's go through an example. Say you want to insert a contact's first name using URL query parameters. You could create a component at the top of the page that includes their first name. All you would have to do is add a text box, then add some copy. Make sure to include the words first_name in curly brackets to ensure it updates based on the person's name. Then go to conditional content. You go to the drop-down menu and choose URL query parameters, then type in first_name, and then choose from the third drop-down, exists. This means if a contact's first name is in your URL, this component will be displayed for them, showing their first name. Another way to use it, you could create two different components to display. One if you have a contact's phone number, and one if you don't. So for this, you'll want to add a text block, then put in some copy, asking them to input their phone number for special discounts or to get product updates, and add a form for a number. You then click Conditional Content, and from the drop-down choose if contact's phone number does not exist. Next up would be a component for users whose number you already have. So for this, you could display something like a relevant blog to them. To do this, you add a background component, you pick an image for one side, and then add some copy and a button to the other side. You'll then click Conditional Content, and from the drop-down choose contacts.phone. And from the second drop-down choose Exist. And there you have it, a personalized experience for users with conditional content. There's so many different ways you can use it, whether that's using URL parameters to create personalized pages for social media campaigns, setting up different experiences for repeat visitors, or communicating differently with your current customers. Try us for free by going to unstack.com and start building high-performing landing pages and websites.